But first tonight, Governor Kemp has announced he will not extend the state's stay-at-home order. It will expire at midnight. I talked to the governor just a bit ago. He says he believes this decision will both help the lives and livelihoods of people in Georgia. We'll talk to him in just a moment.
And Cheryl, the governor is still urging people to stay home and extending the public health state of emergency. We have team coverage explaining the governor's decision and reaction to all of it. We start with Jennifer Bellamy, and the order may be ending, but the state still is asking all of us to follow some strict guidelines.
That's right, Jeff. The governor made the announcement on Twitter this afternoon. Georgia's main statewide shelter-in-place order will expire tonight for many of us, but there are still restrictions in place for some Georgians. Governor Kemp has extended the shelter-in-place order for several groups through June 12th, about a month and a half. That's for older people, folks 65 years old and older, those living in nursing homes or long-term care facilities, and those with pre-existing conditions like chronic lung disease, severe heart disease, diabetes, moderate to severe asthma, and severe obesity, to name a few. Now, all of the businesses that reopened within the last week can continue to operate. That's those gyms, barbers and stylists, nails techs, tattoo shops, and bowling alleys, along with dine-in restaurant service and movie theaters, but they must still meet those previously released sanitary and distancing guidelines. But some businesses are still a no-go. Bars, nightclubs, amusement parks, live performance venues, and public swimming pools must remain closed through 11:59 p.m. on May 13th. That is unless that order is extended. The governor says the rules vary by business for a measured, health-driven approach.
The health and well-being of Georgians are my top priorities, and my decisions are based on data and advice from health officials. I will do what is necessary to protect the lives and the livelihoods of our people.
And one more thing to note, that ban on large gatherings remains in place. Businesses and governments can't allow more than 10 people in a single location unless there's 6 feet between them. But that doesn't include family units or single households. Now, we have reached out to city and county leaders to get their reaction and find out their next steps. We'll hear from some of them coming up at 5:30.